Professor Haruhiko,
Yes.
it is a pleasure and honor to have you here. Uh, you have participated for the first time in the SIPS conference.
Yes.
Let us know your impressions.
Actually, I never attend such a SIPS meeting because I usually attend only, for the doctors, the physicians, the kind of the meetings. I have a lot of experience, but your SIPS is very, very unique because that many sectors and then in the different cultures and all the people together, so that industry, chemistry, physics, something like that. I'm just a biologist, so it's a really, really exciting.
You have been awarded Geim International Innovation Award. How do you feel about this?
Actually, I did not expect it to, grant such a, honorable prize, and I'm really, excited. And then after that, I feel very happy because I continue this my research in the medical field. That's conducted me to the here, and really appreciate it. Thank you.
You know that your groundbreaking is breaking the glass is the first award bearing the name of 2010 Nobel Prize in Nobel laureate under Geim, and you are the first one getting the award. And this is something very particular. Now, how you think in the triangle of the pillars of sustainability, science and technology, management and governance, as well as education and civil society, in this triangle or in these three pillars of sustainability, how you feel the position of science and technology is within this picture?
Actually, science technology is very important and essential to the fundamentals of the triangle. This is what I think.
Because?
Because without science and then the technologies, we are still in a primitive life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you are the inventor of a very strong antioxidant.
Yes.
And you gave me some sample, I tried, and I think they really work, this type of antioxidant. What's the history behind developing this new antioxidant?
Yes. Actually, I have a friend, he is a German, and he asked me, can you develop that anti-alcohol supplement? And then that was 2003. And then I started researching and then developed that one composition for that reduce the alcohol and then acetate food. And then during that experiment, I found that I changed the ratio of the compositions that reduced blood glucose. And then I thought this composition will be very good and helpful to the diabetes. And because in Japan, we have lots of patients with diabetes and then metabolic syndromes. Some calculation says we have over 40 million people in Japan have a problem of the high blood glucose.
40 million people?
Yes, actually it's 1/3 of the nations. And then if that I treat that diabetes, by my composition, that is a huge benefit for the patient and also the social securities, insurance. That's a huge impact. That is a start point.
And it is for the efficiency and the effectiveness of this composition is not only for this particular sickness, but also for cancer and Alzheimer's and other things.
Yes, of course, because that diabetes is patient have a higher ratio of the cancer, and then inflammations, and then high blood pressures, dementia as well. So that diabetes patient have a really high oxidative stress. That is the reason why various diseases coming later.
Mhm. And these different diseases, do they need different composition, or it is a unique composition for all of them?
Yeah, actually I developed the compositions and which consist 8 ingredient, vitamins, amino acid, and then coenzyme Q10s. And then this composition work for the perfect for the diabetes and then foreign all disease.
So it's the same composition.
Same composition.
That's impressive. So one composition and developing this composition is the key of your work.
Yes.
Any change of composition reduces efficiency.
Yeah, actually I added that possible increasing effect in gradient, but it's really difficult. So if you add something, effect going down, and if you subtracted one ingredient, of course it's going to be an effect going down. So it's a really unique.
So it's 1 point composition.
Yes.
And any change can reduce the efficiency.
Right.
That is very interesting. And this is serves to sustainability, because one of the 3 pillars that, to return to the previous question,
Yes.
one of the pillars of sustainability is development of social development of the society of humans. So if humans are in a good shape, they are efficient, they produce more for the society, and to have these antioxidants make possible to have a longer, efficient life and quality life. Is this correct?
Yeah. Actually, if you have a higher oxidative stress, it causes disease. Even did not cause the disease, you have a lot of symptoms. You cannot sleep well, okay, and then your muscle power going down, and then sometimes losing hearing potentials and then side viewing things. So my composition improves lots of many symptoms and the problems. So it took care of all these problems.
And I read that you're saying that if we do this, if you use, we should refrain from using other vitamins or antioxidants, because this changed the composition, correct?
Yes. If you take them together with these amino acid or vitamins, that's conflict. So that effect going down.
But it doesn't disappear, it's going down.
Yes, going down.
Okay. So this is a combination of Q10, combination of vitamin C, and other components.
Yes.
And this is a public composition. So
Yes.
there is no patent or criteria or traits.
Yeah.
This I found very interesting.
Yes.
But there is no risk somebody can take the composition and produce it. Is there a risk?
Yeah. Actually, my research was supported by TIMA Foundation of Liechtenstein. And then they supplied enough amount of resource for the research, and then I think it's now over almost 20 million US dollars. And then I invented that my composition, and then foundation applied that patent. So that patent right is belong to the foundations. I'm a inventor, but no right.
Oh, okay. So the service of society. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's why when you presented for the first time at the Amateur International Symposium, I got very interested on the subject. And also the samples you gave me, I started using them. It is really something that we, everyone should consider, I guess.
Yes, yes.
So, and I'm glad that the subsequent year will have a specific symposium based on oxidative stress and antioxidant in order to fight this extra amount of oxidative stress that human being can accumulate in their body. So again, we thank you for being with us. We wish you great success in your great product, and we are looking forward in our next meeting, where the entire symposium is dedicated to oxidative stress and antioxidant.
Yeah, that is wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.